She was the sweetest gran a girl could ever hope to have. And she taught me that food made with love is the best kind of all.
I've got 5 grandchildren. All my grandchildren love to help in the kitchen. I just love them being there. They get flour everywhere and they love having the basin with the spoon, so you have to split that.
This book here, I started in 1940, and that was the first cake I ever made for my husband. I had no idea what I was doing.
Butterscotch pudding is a recipe which seems to have resonated through the generations. It's an old recipe, it's tattered and it's stained, and my granddaughter now makes it, and it was everyone's favourite. And it's simple, especially if you use the right flour.